Is the air conditioning blowing warm in your car? Looking for ways to service it yourself? Well, let's pursue that question. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Certified Master Technician. Now, first of all, I want to tell you, charging an air conditioning system is a bit tricky. Just a little bit too much, and we can damage the air conditioning compressor. A little bit too little, and we can damage the air conditioning compressor. So the only proper way to charge the system is to, first of all, we put it under a vacuum. We suck all the air out of it, and we get all the moisture out. Then we make sure that there's a proper amount of oil in it, and sometimes we install a dye so we can find leaks in the future as well. But then that refrigerant has to be put in based on weight. So if it calls for 23 ounces, we're going to put 23 ounces in the car, no more, no less. Way back in the old days when I was a young man, we used to be able to kind of get away with being a little sloppy, and we would just look at the gauge pressures. But the gauge pressures are not accurate enough. So unless you have a way to weigh the refrigerant, it's probably not something that you can do yourself. If your air conditioning is working wonderfully, probably you do not need to have a recharge done. If it's not quite as good as it used to be on a super hot day, then what we can do for you is we can pull the refrigerant out, see how much was in there, put the exact right amount in, and make sure that it's 100% up to its capacity. So I hope this answers your question today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.